over x minus 1 is equals to x over 2 plus 1. 2 over x minus 1 is equal to x over 2 plus 1. Kunin natin yung LCD niya, kaya magiging 2x minus 1. 2 over x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. So, cancel natin x minus 1. Kaya yung matitira 2. Tapos, kunin natin yung 2. Tapos, is equals to x over 2 times 2x minus 1. Cancel 2. Matitira yung x. Tapos, bring down x minus 1. Tapos, 1 times 2x minus 1. So, makita natin 1 siya. Kaya, i-bring down lang natin yung 2x minus 1. 2 times 2, 4. Is equals to x times x squared. X times negative 1 is negative x. Plus 2 times x is equals to 2x. 2 times negative 1 is equal to negative 2. Bring down 4 is equals to x squared plus x minus x plus 2x. Magiging positive x, tapos bring down negative 2. Tapos, ililipat natin yung positive 4, kaya magiging x squared plus x minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. X squared plus x, negative 2 plus negative 4, magiging negative 6 is equal to 0. Kunin natin yung factor ng negative 6, kaya magiging x plus 3 and x minus 2. X plus 3, ililipat natin siya, kaya magiging x is equal to negative 3. Yung x minus 2 is equal to 0 naman, ililipat natin siya, kaya magiging x is equal to positive 2. For checking ng 4x negative 3, copy natin yung 2, tapos yung x, papalitan natin siya ng negative 3 minus 1 is equal to negative 3 over 2 plus 1. Nakaki natin yung 2, tapos negative 3 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 4 is equals to negative 3 over 2 plus 2 over 2. 2 divided by negative 4 is equal to negative 1/2. Tapos, negative 3 plus 2 is equal to negative 1. Tapos, yung denominator, kakopy lang natin siya, kaya magiging 2. For x is equal to 2, yung 2, yung x siya, ikakopy lang natin yung 2 over 2 minus 1 is equal to 2 over 2 plus 1. Tapos, lalagay natin yung 2 dito. 2 minus 1 is 1 is equals to 2 divided by 2 is 1 plus 1. 2 divided by 1, 2 is equal to 1 plus 1, 2.
Ako si Jan Science si Turanda. At ang binigay mo sa akin problem ay number 17. At the problem that you gave me is 1 over x minus 5 plus 1 over x minus 5 equals to 4 over x squared minus 25. So, sir, yung x squared minus 25 is a perfect binomial. So, kailangan mo siyang i-factor out. So, magiging 1 over x minus 5 plus 1 over x minus 5 equals to 4. 4 tapos over x minus 5, x plus 5. So, LCD na. Mag-LCD ka. So, 1 over x minus 5 plus 1 over x minus 5 equals 4 over x minus 5, x plus 5. So, ang LCD mo ay x minus 5 saka x plus 5. So, ika-cancel mo yung x minus 5 tapos yung x minus 5. So, 1 times x plus 5. So, maging x plus 5. So, sabay ganun din sa kabila. So, 1 over x minus 5, ka-cancel yung x minus 5. So, magiging plus x plus 5. Sabay, ika-cancel mo na yung x minus 5 pati x plus 5 sa denominator nung isa. So, magiging x plus 5 plus x plus 5 equals to 4. So, ililipat mo na siya. So, magiging, ay hindi, ipagpa-plus plus mo na siya. So, magiging 2x plus 10, sabay ililipat mo na yung 4. So, magiging 2x plus 10 equals, ay minus 4 equals 0. Sabay minus, sabay, minus mo na yung 10 minus 4, so magiging 2x plus 6, tapos ililipat mo yung 6 sa labas, so magiging 2x equals to negative 6 over, tapos i-divide mo na siya by 2, so 2, so cancel, tapos 6, so negative 6 over 2 equals to x negative 3. Thank you, sir.
This is the equation. 3 over x plus 1 minus 4 over x minus 2 equals 2 over x plus 1. To get the value of this equation, all you have to do is multiply both sides by x plus 1 and x minus 2. 3 over x times 1 cancel, and it remains x minus 2. So, it stands for 3 times x minus 2. 4 over x minus 2 times x minus 2 cancel, remain x plus 1. So, the result is this. 2 over x plus 1 times x plus 1 cancel, 2 over x minus 2. Distribute 3 times x is equal to 3x. 3 times negative 2 is equals to 6. Minus 4 times x is equals to 4x. 4 times 1 is equals to 4. Equals, copy the sign. 2 times x is equal to 2x. 2 times negative 2 is equals to negative 4. All numbers that has a variable of x, all we have to do is put them in the left side, and all the numbers, put them in the right side to answer it easily. 3x minus 4x minus 2x is equals to negative 3. Negative 4 plus 6 plus 4 cancel. Negative 4 plus 4 is equals to 0. So, it equals to 6. Equals. Divide both sides by 3. By negative 3. Cancel the 3 and the answer is negative. That's all.
This is a rational expression. We will subtracting the given. So, 2 minus 3 equals to negative 1 over x plus 5 is equal to 6 over x. We will use their LCD to remove both of the denominator. So the equation will look like this. X times x plus 5. After that, it will become x times negative 1 is equal to 6 times x plus 5. And then distribute. X times negative 1 is negative x equals 6 times x, 6x, plus 6 times 5, which is 30. We will combining the like terms with the variables beside them and then isolate. So 6x plus x plus 30 is equal to 0. And then add 6 plus x, 7x plus 30 equals to 0. So this will become 7x. We will isolate the x by dividing both of them by 7. So 7x is equals to negative 30 over 7. Then the equation becomes 7x over 7 equals negative 30 over 7. We will be cancelling the 7. So the answer will be x equals negative 30 over 7. And this is the final answer.
Ang given is 6x squared minus 14x minus 12 over 3x plus 2 equals 2x minus 6 over 5. Tapos, i-factor natin yung numerator. So, ito siya. Tapos, ita-times natin siya sa both sides. Kaya, 5 times 2x, 10x, 5 times negative 6 equals negative 30 equals 2x minus 6. Tapos, itatranspose natin siya. Kaya magiging 10x minus 2 tapos x minus 30 plus 6. 10x minus 2 is equals to 8x. 30 minus ay, 30 minus negative 30
Hindi pwede.
positive 6 equals to negative 24. Tapos, itatranspose natin yung 24 dito. Kaya magiging 8x over 8 equals 24 over 8. Tapos, ika-cancel natin itong 8. Kaya magiging x is equals to 3.
Given x squared minus 2x minus 3 over x squared minus x minus 6 minus x over x plus 2 equals 5 minus x over x minus 3. Kukunin yung factor ng x squared minus x minus 6. x plus 2, x minus 3. Kukunin yung LCD na x plus 2, x minus 3. Cancel kasi pareha siya sa denominator. Kaya copy mo na yung x minus 2 minus 2x minus 3 minus x. Cancel x plus 2, copy na x minus 3 equals 5 minus x. Cancel x minus 3, copy x plus 2. X squared minus 2x minus 3. Distribute x squared times x equals x squared plus x negative x times negative 3 positive 3x equals FOIL method. 5 times x, 5x. Negative x times x, negative x squared. 2 times negative x, negative 2x plus 5 times 2, positive 10. X squared minus 2x minus 3 minus x squared plus 3x minus 5x minus 2x, 3x minus x squared plus 10. X squared minus 2x minus 3 minus x squared plus 3x equals negative x squared plus 3x plus 10. Negative x squared minus 2x minus 3 minus x squared plus 3x plus x squared minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. Transpose siya and equate to 0. So, combine like terms. So, cancel na yung x squared and 3x. So, x squared minus 2x minus 3 minus 10 equals 0. Equals x squared minus 2x negative 3 minus 10 negative 30 equals 0. Formula. Negative b plus negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Negative quantity negative 2 plus negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 13 over 2x1. Negative times negative negative b squared positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Negative times negative 2 positive negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 13 over 2 times 1. Naging positive yung 2 kasi yung negative times ng negative 2. Kaya naging equals positive 2. Positive negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4 plus negative 4 times 1 times negative 13, positive 52 over 2. 2 plus positive negative square root of 56 over 2. 2 positive negative square root of 4 times 14 over 2. Yung 4 niya, 4 times 14, nakuha siya sa factor ng 56. Tapos, 2 positive negative 2 square root of 14 over 2. Yung 2 niya dito, ito yung square root ng 4. Kaya yung naka-radical pa yung 14 kasi walang square root yung 14. So, ang answer, x equals 1, positive negative square root of 14.
Good day everyone, I'm Joshua De Baltasar and I'm solving the expression problem 3y squared plus 18y plus 15 over 6y plus 6 times y minus 5 over y squared minus 2. Solution. First, we will find the common monomial factor of the multiplicand, which is 3y squared plus 18y plus 15. So, this equation is divisible by 3. So it will become 3 times the quantity of y squared plus 6y plus 5, which that equation also has as a factor, which is 3 times the quantity of y plus 1 times the quantity of y plus 5. Then, we will proceed to the denominator of the multiplicand, which is 6y plus 6, which is divisible by 6. So, it will become 6 times the quantity of y plus 1. Then, we will proceed to the multipliers. The numerator of the first multiplier is y minus 5. So, it doesn't have factors, so it's the same. Then, next, the denominator of the multiplier, which is y squared minus 25, will perform the sum and difference, which is y plus 5, then y plus minus 5. Then our equation now is 3 times the quantity of y plus 1 times the quantity of y plus 5 over 6 times y plus 1 times y minus 5 over y plus 5 times the quantity of y minus 5. On the multiplicand, they have both y plus 1 on their numerator and denominator, so we will cancel it. Then, on the multiplicand, y plus 5 have the same value on the multiplier y plus 5, so we will cancel it also. Then, let's move to the multipliers. It has the same value of y minus 5 on both numerator and denominator, so we will cancel it. Then, the remaining value is 3 over 6. So, our final answer is 1/2.
I'm from ABM-A2. How to solve rational equation, and I will solve my expression 2x plus 5 over 3 minus x plus 2 equals 5 minus x over x minus 3. Then first, find the LCD, which is x minus 3 times the quantity of 3 minus x. Then next, we will multiply the LCD on the both side of the equation. Then we will cancel. So the equation now is 2x plus 5 times the quantity of x minus 3 plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 3 times 3 minus x equals the quantity of 5 minus x times 3 minus x. Next, simplify. Form the given operation, then it will become 2x squared minus 6x plus 5x minus 15 plus negative 2x squared plus 6x minus 18 plus 6x equals 15 minus 5x minus 3x plus x squared. Next, combine the like terms and arrange it properly. Then it will become 11x minus 33 equals x squared minus 8x plus 15. Then apply addition property of equality, A, P, E. And the equation now is x squared minus 19x plus 48 equals 0. Then factor it. It will become x minus 16 times the quantity of x minus 3 equals 0. It to 0, then it will become x minus 16 equals 0, then x minus 3 equals 0. Then apply again the APE method. Our answer now is x equal to 16, then x equals 0.
Okay, let's start. The first thing that we need to do is just get the LCD, which is w plus 1. So this is the LCD. So after that, we're just going to cancel it before we get that. And put here the bracket. And put the w plus 1, which is the least common denominator. So, after that, we're just going to put here the bracket beside the fraction. So, this is the fraction. And after that, we're just going to put here the w plus 1, which is the LCD. And after that, we're just going to divide the LCD into the denominator of every fraction. Okay? So, after that, we're just going to distribute 3 and w plus 1. So after that, we're just going to get the NPE, which is 6w. So after that, we're just going to combine the similar terms. Since 6w minus 6w are like terms, we're just going to subtract it. So after that we're just going to subtract it. And since we're looking for the value of w, we're just going to divide it 3w into 3. So after that, we're just going to put here the 3w over 3. So equals 3 over 3. So we're just going to divide it to get the w, to get the value of w. So we're just going to divide 3 over 3. So the answer would be the answer would be w is equal to -1 because we're just going to divide it. So the answer would be -1. So that's it.
So the equation that was given is number 26. 4 over b plus 2 plus 2b over b minus 2 is equal to 8 over b squared minus 4. So 4 over b plus 2 plus 2b over b minus 2 is equal to 8. So factor out perfect binomial b minus 2 times b plus 2. So the factor is b plus 2 and b minus 2. So cancel out. So 4 times b minus 2 plus 2b times b plus 2 is equal to 8. So 4 times b, 4b, 4 times -2, -8 plus 2b times b equal to 2b squared. 2b times 2 equal to 4b and is equal to 8. So 2b squared plus 8b minus 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So add 2b squared plus 8b minus 16 is equal to 0. Then divide it by 2. So b squared plus 4b minus 8 is equal to 0. So by using quadratic formula, negative b, positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So substitute. So b is 4. So -4, positive negative square root of 16 minus 4 times 1 times -8 over 2 times 1. So b is equal to -4, positive negative square root of 16 plus 32 over 2. So b is equal to -4, positive negative square root of 48 over 2. Then b is equal to -4, positive -4 square root of 3 over 2. So divide it by 2. So -2, positive -2 square root of 3 is the final answer.
So, today I will teach you how to solve this equation. 1 plus 3 over x equals 28 over x squared. So, to make this similar, replace 1 with x over x plus 3 over x equals 28 over x squared. Then, since this is a fraction, get their LCD squares. Okay, so, their LCD is x squared. X squared. Multiply both sides by x squared, so that the fraction will be removed. So x squared, then x, so x times x, then x squared times x, cancel 3x, plus 3 times x, then cancel, equals 28. So from this, simplify this equation. So x squared plus 3x equals 28. So that this can be another equation. Transpose 28 to this side. Then so x squared plus 3x minus 28. Then equals 0. So to get the values of x, factor this equation. So x plus 7, then x minus 4 is equal to 0. To get the values of the x, equate both equation to the 0. So x plus 7 equals 0. So x equals -7. Then x minus 4 equals 0. So x equals 4. So this is your answer.
Thank you for listening.
Ang napili kong number ay number 28. So ito ang given. 36 over p squared minus 9 equals 2p over p plus 3 minus 1. Para makuha natin yung LCD, kailangan natin i-factor yung p squared minus 9. Magiging quantity p plus 3 times quantity p minus 3. Dahil parehas sila sa denominator, kailangan siya i-cancel. So yung mga natira, i-bring down natin. Magiging 36 equals 2p times quantity p minus 3 minus quantity p plus 3 times quantity p minus 3. Ito, para makuha natin yung sagot, kailangan natin siya i-distribute. Magiging 36 equals 2p times p equals 2p squared. Ito naman, 2p times negative 3 minus 6p. Ito, ipo-FOIL method natin siya. Magiging p times p squared. 3 times 3, 9. Gagamitan natin siya ng i-equate natin siya sa 0. Magiging negative 2. Dahil naging negative 2, kasi ito positive. Negative 2p squared plus p squared plus 6p plus 36 minus 9. Tapos, i-combine like terms natin siya. Magiging, dahil negative 2p squared plus p squared equals negative p squared plus 6p, 36 minus 9 equals 27. Ito, dahil negative siya, magiging positive. P squared minus 6p minus 27 equals to 0. Kailangan natin i-factor to. I-factor natin itong p squared minus 6p minus 27 equals 0. Magiging quantity p plus 3 times quantity p minus 9 equals 0. P plus 3 equals 0. P minus 9 equals 0. Dahil positive siya, magiging sagot negative 3. P equals negative 3. Dahil negative siya, magiging positive 9 ang sagot at ang sagot ay p equals 9.
So my given equation is 4y over 4 minus 1 over 2 is equals to 2 over y. So solve ko ito sa pamamagitan ng pagkuha ng LCD. So ang LCD nila is 4 times y, 4 times y. Cancellation, kinancel ko yung 4. Then ang natira, tinimes ko yung y, yung dalawang y. So ang nangyari, naging y over y squared. So dito naman, tinimes ko sila. Nangyari, naging 2y. Tapos, is equals to cancel. 4 times 2 is equals to 8. Yung 8, ililipat ko dito. Yan. So, ang mangyayari is y squared minus 2y minus, kasi nilipat ko siya, so magiging minus siya. Minus 8. So, ngayon kukunin ko na yung factor niya. Y squared is equals to y times y plus 2 minus 4. So this is the answer. That's it. Thank you.
Yung binigay mo sa akin problem, number 30. Ito po yung problem ay 6 over x plus 2 minus 20x over x squared minus x minus 6 equals x over x plus 2. Tapos, ang gagawin po natin yan ay, ito po, hanapin po natin yung factor niyan. Ito po yung lumabas na factor. Tapos, ilagay lang po natin sa both sides. Tapos, ito po, multiply, cancel. Tapos, ito po, hindi po maano natin, i-distribute na lang po natin. Ilalapag po natin yun dyan. Lalagay po natin. Tapos, dito din po gagawin natin sa kabila. Dito, multiply, cancel. Tapos ito, x i-distribute na lang din po natin yan. Yan. Tapos yan po. 6x minus 18 minus 20x equal x squared minus 3x. Kaya po naging 18 dahil sa dito po. Dito. Yan. Dito po sa 6 times 3. Tapos copy na lang po yung 20x. Tapos kaya po naging x squared kasi dito po pinag-times po siya. X times x equals x squared. Tapos 3x. Yan po. 3x. Tapos ano po natin yan. Ito na po yung pinalabasan. X squared minus 3x minus 6x plus 20x plus 18 equal to 0. I-transpose po natin yan. Ito po, tinranspose na po natin kaya naging ganito po. Tapos, ayan na po, x squared plus. Kaya po naging 11 dahil 3 minus 6 equals negative 9. Tapos po, plus 20 equals 11. Kaya po naging positive dahil po dito sa 20. Tapos, copy na lang po natin yan, sign yan. Tapos, ito na po. Quantity x plus 9, yan po. Tapos, i-kuinaw lang po natin yan. Tapos, ito na po yung sagot dito sa kabila. Tapos, ganun din po sa kabila. Yun lang po. Thank you.